Which option is less confusing for travelers?
Limited options.
Why should we keep in mind when showing vouchers to travelers?
जब ट्रैवलर को ब्रोशर शो करते हैं तो एक या दो ब्रोशर्स शो करने चाहिए एंड ये बेस्ड करता है उनके नीड्स एंड प्रेफरेंसेस पे.
Wrong. What are the things which should be kept in mind when presenting the vouchers to the traveler?
Presenting one or two brochure to the traveler and this is based on needs and preferences to the traveler.
Right. What is it necessary to highlight the main element of voucher with highlighter?
Main elements should be highlighted and it may be reviewed by the traveler later.
Right. What is it necessary to talk to a traveler before presenting a voucher?
Talk to the traveler about their needs and their attractions,
Wrong.
desires.
When talking about the tour, what is it necessary for the traveler to get information from the traveler?
Repeat.
When talking about the tour, what is it necessary for the traveler to get information from the traveler?
About the tour.
Wrong. What do you need to ensure when you present a voucher to a traveler?
About the tour.
Wrong. What should the traveler be encouraged related with the vouchers?
Encourage them to read all the aspects in the voucher.
Right. What are the areas that should be specifically included in the voucher?
Repeat.
What are the areas that should be specifically included in the voucher?
Included and excluded of the included and excluded tours and excluded from the tours and cancellation policy and operators liability and responsibilities, deposit and payment important deposit and payments and
Right. What is the need to remember about the meeting related to the journey?
first of all made the checklist made the checklist of items and then cover up the all the points in your initial meeting and follow up the conversation.
Right.
Conversation.
Create a checklist of your initial meeting and for future encounters with the traveler. How will this help you?
This is help you to consent your sale process.
Right. What are the things involved in the tour voucher checklist?
About the itinerary and itinerary, group size, pace, terminology and single supplement, conditions, questions and
Right. What are the things to be involved in the cost of travel?
in the cost of travel, how much cost customer has to pay.
Wrong. When thinking of traveling, what question is required to ask from the passenger?
Repeat.
When thinking of traveling, what question is required to ask from the passenger?
Ask about when thinking of traveling, ask about their needs and preferences.
Right. What are the cost related things which traveler should be aware of?
That अगर वो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो उनको कितनी कॉस्ट चाहिए होगी during their tour.
Wrong. Why is it necessary to make the passenger aware of what is included in the price of the tour and what is excluded?
Okay. कि उनको कितने पैसे उनको टूर में चाहिए होंगे और कितने नहीं चाहिए होंगे.
Right. What is the question that are required to ask